Okay, today we're going to learn about systems of linear equation. First thing we need to know is some vocabulary word. When we talk about systems of linear equation, all we're talking about is contains two or more equations. That means if we have two equations, that means we have two or more graphs. Okay, and a lot of times when we look for equations, what we're trying to do is find the solution. The solution to a system of linear equation is the point of intersection. It is where the two lines meet. Where the two lines meet. Okay, so if I have a line here and a line here, that is no solution. That is the solution right there. Solution. Okay, no solution means the line doesn't meet, doesn't touch. There is no intersection, and lines that don't touch are usually parallel. Okay, so this right here is parallel to that. They never touch. A system of equation has infinitely many solutions when they are the same line. For example, if I have a line here, and I have, let's just change color here, I have another line right on top of it. Okay, this is infinite many solutions. Okay, so going back to red. Okay, so this tells you the number of solutions from a linear. If you see here, the lines intersect, so there is one solution. The lines same slope, different y-intercept. Okay, this is the characteristic. The lines are parallel. So there are no solution. You see here, there's a line here, and then there's a line here. Okay, the lines are the same. So there are infinite many solutions. The word infinite means forever and ever. Okay, so this is solved by graphing. Okay, so the way we do this, okay, just all we're going to do is just graph it on the calculator. Okay, so I'm adding a graph here. Okay, 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2, enter. Then I press tab to get another graph, 3x minus 2, enter. You see the two lines are parallel. Okay, so if I graph this 3x plus 2, I just take 2 points on the graph and draw a line. Okay, 2 points on the graph, and I draw a line. Okay, you could use a ruler for that, so this one has no solution. Okay, so again, I'm going to grab this line right here, negative 3x plus 3. Okay, so I always like to make a new document. Okay, so it's negative 3 over 4x plus 3. Negative, control divide, 3 over 4 x, what was it, plus 3, plus 3, enter. You see my first line in blue, tab, I'm going to do the same thing, negative, control divide, 3 over 4 x plus 3. And if you notice, you see the red and the blue lines are together. Okay, so this is infinite many solutions. Okay, and again, I'm going to just graph it in my, just pick 2 points. And both of them, oops. Changed out on me, okay? And if we do it again, doing a different color. Okay, it's the same. Infinite many solutions. Now, what is the solution for these? So, I'm going to use the calculator again. Again, I'm creating a new document each time. Oops, pressed the wrong thing. Okay, I'm adding a graph. So this time I'm typing in x plus 2, 2x plus 1. X plus 2, enter, then 2x plus 1. Okay, you see that the intersection is right there. Okay, but what we're going to do on the graph, okay, we're going to let the calculator find our intersection for us. Okay, so to do that, so you go menu, analyze graph. If you look right here, it says intersection. Okay, what you're going to do is, oops, I messed up there. It changed it for me. I don't want to change it. What was the equation again? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Enter. Okay, menu, analyze graph, intersection. Okay, I'm going to go to the left side of the intersection. So I'm going to move my cursor to the left side, and then I'm going to press enter. Oops. Let's try that again. Menu. It's easier on your calculator. Intersection. Now, I move it to the right side. Okay, if you Let's start all over here. My equation changed again. 2x plus 1. This should be x plus 2. Delete, 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 delete. X plus 2. Enter. Okay, see, our intersection is 1, 3. Okay. So, again, I look for 2 points on the thing. So I'm going to go here and here. I draw my line. Okay, 2x plus 1. I choose this one right here. And that one right there. And I go, okay, so my solution is 2, 1. Alright, let me show you this one. Hopefully I can do it correct this time, okay, the very first time. Document, file, new document, no, add graph. Okay, so negative 1/2 x minus 1 and x minus 4. Negative control divide 1/2 x minus 4, I think. No, minus 1. Enter. Tab. And x minus 4. Enter. Okay, let's try this. Menu. Analyze graph. Intersection. Okay, so I'm going to move it to the left side of the intersection. Press enter and move it to the right side. Okay, you see the intersection is 2, negative 2. Okay, so it's 2, negative 2. But of course, I want to graph this, so I pick 2 points. Okay, x minus 4. Okay, that's my intersection there. Alright, moving on. Okay, x equals to 2, y equals negative 6. Here you can graph it on the calculator, but what you should know is anytime you have an x equals line, it is a vertical line. Anytime you have a no y equals with no graph, it's a horizontal line, okay? So x equals 2 looks like this. Y equals negative 6 looks like this. Y equals negative 6. Okay, and it's that point right there. So my intersection is 2, negative 6. Same thing here. Y equals 3. Y is equal to 3. See, this is your horizontal line at 3. Okay, and then x equals negative 4. That is going to be your vertical line. X equals negative 4. So my intersection is negative 4, 3. Okay, now these are in standard form. You're going to do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to go again, new documents. I'm going to add a graph. So first, negative 2x plus y equals, okay, so I'm going to go to menu, graph entry, equation, line standard. Okay, negative 2